Hey everyone, Teacher Linda G here with some more sports vocabulary for you. And today I'm focusing on another favorite Canadian and American game, baseball. I'll tell you the sentence and then I'll explain it for you. He hit a home run right out of the park. So the player hit the ball so far that it went outside the stadium, which automatically scores a point. The pitcher threw a perfect game yesterday. The pitcher did not allow any player on the other team to reach first base during the entire game, which is rare. The bases are loaded, so this next hit could be a game changer. There are players on first, second, and third base, and if the next player hits the ball well, it could change the outcome of the game. He's known for his fastball, but his curveball is just as deadly. So this pitcher is famous for throwing very fast pitches, but his curved, slower pitch is also very difficult for batters to hit. They pulled off a double play to the end of the inning. The team made 2 outs with 1 play, which ended that part of the game, the inning. So that's it for today. And if you want more information on my services, visit my website at speakenglishwithmoreconfidencenow.com or send me an email at backinthegrooveagain@gmail.com. And if you want a free copy of some business vocabulary, check out the link in the description below. Bye.